Okay, I've bought a new, or obtained a new main oil seal. It is branded Corteco or Cortico. It is pretty much exactly the same item as was originally fitted to the car. I'm pretty sure that this was original equipment, but just not branded Alfa Romeo or Mopar, as it would now be branded if you bought it from an Alfa Romeo dealer, because I think there's some commonality with Chrysler. If I'd bought the OE seal from an Alfa dealer, it would have been over £90 to buy, plus it wasn't in stock when I phoned, and that was including VAT. I talked to Alfa Workshop and explained my unhappiness with the situation, and they agreed to, or kindly offered to supply this heavily discounted for 30 quid, and then it would normally be nearer 50, with £9 for 6 new flywheel bolts and free postage. So it arrived yesterday, free of postage, first class delivery, so I was quite pleased with that. The item that caused the problem that I bought originally from Alfa Workshop is branded BGA, and that is the one that I'm disapproving of and suggesting that you don't fit. Okay, the next video will be after or during assembly of this item to the car. Right, I've got the new seal into place. It's secured with 5 ribe head screws to the back of the block and 2 longer ones at the bottom. There's a face here which has to have silicone sealant added to it before you assemble it, and there is a plastic seal protector which you leave in place until the seal's mounted to the block, and then you simply pull it off. I was careful to have everything scrupulously clean before I assembled it. I cleaned it all with alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and I was also careful to gradually tighten and evenly tighten all of the screws, including the 2 of the bottom ones, because obviously if you tighten one lot and don't tighten the others, they're going to work against each other. So you want the thing fully flat against the block and fully down against the top of the sump. So I'm optimistic that this time it's not going to leak.